Hey everyone, it's TechZone13 and today I'm going to be unboxing a 160 gig PS3 Slim. So I recently managed to pick this up from Gumtree for just $90 and the seller told me that this had only been used once, so it's pretty much brand new apparently. And yeah, it comes in the original box and I've taken a look inside and it has all the original packaging and stuff, because the guy told me it was pretty much put back into storage. And yeah, so taking a look at the front, you've got a picture of the PS3 Slim, the previous PlayStation 3 of course now. I'm sure all you guys have seen that. The DualShock 3 controller, 160 gig. And yeah, nothing new. This thing is like pretty old now, considering the PS4 is already out. But yeah, here's the top. Nothing much to see. Just got a bunch of accessories at the back. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So yeah, all the packaging and stuff like new. Just bring this closer for you guys. Let's just pull out some stuff here. Got the DualShock 3 controller, which all you guys should have seen by now. Nothing new there. It definitely feels like a brand new controller. And yeah, there's the black DualShock 3 controller. Put that to the side. You've got your user guide and PlayStation Network flyer. Nothing new there. Looks like there's some bubble wrap in here for no reason. Your AV cords, which were never opened, obviously. You got your USB cord to charge the DualShock 3 controller, and looks like you've got your power cord. And last but not least, we've got the PS3 Slim inside. So let's see how I'm going to get this out. Right, so I'm just going to tip the box on its side and pull it out. So here we've got the PS3 Slim, still in its packaging, like everything else in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap it. It looks like he taped it up a bit. And there you have it, guys. It's the PS3 Slim. Again, nothing new there. It looks to be in pretty much brand new condition, which is awesome. There's the front and the back, and yeah, there's the PS3 Slim. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Be sure to check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys next time.